Hello guys, this is another quick video on how to add a login page in your Wix. First, open your Wix website editor and on the left pane, choose Pages and Menu. Click Sign Up and Login and then choose Member Login Form. And there are options which shows first, just choose New Member Sign Up. And then on the arrow drop down here, click and choose custom form, then add to site. As you can see here, the login page has been added in your Wix website. Let's edit the appearance and layout of this login page by clicking on the elements and choose settings. Here we can change the field title. Let's type your enter email and also the placeholder, type email. And then close. Then choose also, you can change the layout, the text alignment, the placeholder padding, field title padding, and the spaces between field and the field title. You can also change the design of the login page. You can choose the field color and opacity, the border, corners, and the shadow. As well as we can change the animation. Just choose animations from the given animations here. And then close. Also in the password, if you want to change the appearance, same with the email above. That's it. If you want to preview your website, just click the preview button here. And there you can see the login page of your Wix website. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video and I hope this helped you a lot and keep following for more video tips.